Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am joining this week's YouTube Weekly Stamping Collab. Penny, do you mind? Look, they're trying to get comfortable. Alright, and I decided to go ahead and do my Sparkle & Co. monthly subscription box and show you guys that also. So if you don't know about Sparkle & Co., it is a monthly subscription box, but they have tons and tons and tons of dips and gels, and you don't have to be a member to buy. And if you do buy anything from Sparkle & Co., and it's not subscription box, I mean, whatever, just use Guylene15 for 15% off. I don't make anything from that. And if you do subscribe or buy something and you're signing up for the very first time, tell them Guylene325 sent you, and I get a credit and you get a credit. And then once you've done that and you recommend somebody, they can give them your name as a referral and you get another credit, they get a credit. Keeps going on. Super cool. Love this place. Love Sparkle & Co. A lot of cool stuff. So, I get the Luxe box. They also have the basic, and they have a couple of smaller boxes also that I think start at like $10 or $12. I get the dips. I did get the gels at one time too, so you can get dip or gel, and you can see right there what you get. I get the Luxe bag, which is $44. And I'm going to show you everything you get. I mean, you get a lot of things. Even with just 3 dips, you get 3 dips, a liquid. So you pretty much never have to buy liquids because you're just getting one every month. And then they either have a special really cool bag or other cool gift. And this month it's alcohol inks. So we're going to try those out. I'm going to show you those. And then I got 5 other dips. So there was no bag this month, so we got an extra dip. And then it comes with swatch sticks already with stickers on it and everything, so that you have swatches of all the colors that you got, which is awesome. So first up, we got a palace full of sunshine. I don't know if you can see. I've got some natural lighting today, so I was hoping maybe you could see. It's a beautiful pale yellow, and it's got iridescent pink and gold flakes in it. Zoom in a little. The next one is Twirling in Tulle, and it's just a pink. Dreamboard Society, and it is like a mint, well, not really mint, a tealy, really light teal blue green. Balloon Skies, so cool. It's kind of like a blue, well, I don't know, maybe it's a clear base with a lot of blue glitter and other size little glitters. You can see it. And Paper Crown, I love that. It's so cute. It just looks like tiny little paper confettis. So pretty. I use gels for my liquids, not the regular dip liquids. So I put 1 coat of base on my nails, and then I dipped it in the pure French white. And I did that twice. That is 2 coats. So, I don't know, my purple looks kind of brown, and I don't know why that is, if it's going to affect anything or not. I have teal, pink, and purple. And I'm not sure. I think they have other colors you can purchase, but that's just what I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up and put them over here and hope I don't spill them. So I went ahead and went over it again, just a little bit, a couple blobs, just to darken it up a little. That is just awesome. All right, so the plate I chose was this Ebasket plate. It's the Fran Mendez plate, and it is so cute. And I think this is like the very first plate I ever got from them. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be using on the black stamping polish from Brave Diva nail polish. This plate is so deeply etched that I kind of let the polish sink in a minute, a few seconds before I try to pick it up, because if you don't, it's going to smudge. So I really love the look of that with it matte. And I do have some Sparkle & Co. matte top coat I'm going to put on it. Alright, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got a good idea and, you know, another idea of how to use these watercolor inks. I really like this. And look, I got pink on. Alright, thanks you guys for joining me. Please be sure to check out all the other ladies in the collab and see what they did. That is so cool. And all the links will be below. And go check out their videos too. Bye! She knows it's shelter in place time. She's managed to bring both of her outside frisbee toy and her soccer ball both in the house. What are you doing? What is that? Oh, oh, you gonna try to sit on it? Oh, what is that?
I don't know what it is. A body?
No.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.